Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your task manager has been disabled by your administrator and you're coming across this error message on your Windows 11 computer. Now this will apply for earlier versions of Windows as well, including Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. However, I am on a Windows 11 machine at the moment. So if your laptop, computer, or tablet's experiencing this problem, we're going to go about how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So you're going to start off by opening up the search magnifying glass and type in group policy. Best match should come back with edit group policy. Go ahead and open that up. You want to expand underneath user configuration, double click on the administrative templates folder, double click on the system folder, and then finally there should be a Ctrl+Alt+Delete options folder in here. So go ahead and left click on that. And then directing our attention over to the right side here, there should be something that says remove task manager. Go ahead and double click on that. And you want to set this to not configured and then select apply and OK. Close out of here and restart your computer. And hopefully that should have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.